Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody asked me how to do this right here off of a video that somebody does it, and I'm kind of mimicking them, but they don't talk and they go real fast. And there's two ways, and yes, I am using a video I just made just earlier today with this same image. There's two ways to do it, but there's only really one way if you want to add color back to the background. Well, I guess you could probably add color to the whole thing. But what I'm going to show you is power clip. This is a group of those objects. So I'm going to select my object. I'm going to go to Object, Power Clip, and because it's a group, I can place inside frame. Now, the only thing that's wrong with that, I don't like power clipping, is you can't not put in the background. Now that I said that, let's just try, see what happened. Let's put in a background. I guess we're going to have to probably group this together. Control G. And then it's got selected, so we're going to go to Object. And I don't think you're going to have as much control. So it does work. And then you could take away the outline. So that does work. I personally would do it this way, and maybe it's a little bit longer, but it kind of works. And I'm just going to put this girl in, well, I'm just going to nudge her over. And these are individual bars. So I'm going to select that bar, hold down the shift, select the girl, and go up to Intersect, and then nudge that over. I'm going to select this one, shift select the girl, and Intersect. I'm going to select this one, shift select the girl, and Intersect. We've got two here. Shift select the boot, Intersect. Take that one, shift select the boot. You got that. Now what we can do is, one, we can move the girl out of the way, and we can nudge these back over. And what would maybe be different than the power clip way is we could do some of them in yellow, but then again, we could do some of them in green, some parts. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but just a thought. And then, of course, you'd want to select it all and right-click your mouse to take away the outline. Pretty cool effect. I don't know what they would use it or what you would use it for. Probably the main reason I like Intersect over the other one is you still have your picture when you're done. You could do it again over and over and over. And, maybe even let's move the girl down a little bit this time. And now let's do this. Shift select the girl and Intersect. And then let's move it over. So you're going to get a different look. Power clipping, you do the same thing. I just actually prefer mine. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching or answered his question.